Welcome to Scienscope here at SMTAI in Minneapolis. I'm joined by Danny Lumbreras. Nice to see you again, Danny.
Nice to see you, Trevor.
Okay. So today we're looking at the X-ray system. I mean, you're commonly known for doing the goods inward, component counters, things like that. But this is a dedicated, standalone X-ray inspection system, the Xspection 3000.
Correct.
So give us the rundown on the features of this machine.
Correct. So this is a newer generation model from the other unit that we used to have. We did have the Xscope 3000. So what happened was a lot of our customers needed a little bit more capability in the system. So we decided to change, number one, the face. Number two was the capabilities internally. And then number three was some of the configurations in our software. Some of the stuff that we now offer wasn't offered before, but also it helps improve the processes for some of the engineers, because especially some of the reporting processes that we have. The simple reports that we're now able to export and give to an engineer saves them time, money, and the reason of needing to go to the X-ray system. Now everything's done for them automatically. Right.
So instead of coming out in a CSV file that they had to interpret, you're actually producing the report as a PDF.
Correct, and we can show the engineers and some of our customers. All we're doing is giving them a PDF, and then they come here, and all they do is scroll down, and it shows them the location, it shows them the issue, it shows them the barcode number that was there. I mean, essentially for traceability purposes, which is one of the biggest things right now. This is actually going to be a better solution for our customers that are in automotive, our customers that are in medical. We're going to be able to offer this type of solution, and a lot of our competitors might not. Right.
Okay. So what's the spec of the actual machine itself? What size of tubes in it? Is it closed? Is it open? What's the field of view, etc.?
So the actual spec on the tube is it's 100 kV. We are going to offer 130 also. It's 100 kV. It comes with a 5x5 flat panel detector. It does about 20-inch, give or take, of inspection area.
Wow,
yeah,
that's quite
which
big.
Is quite big, which is another reason that we had to add the optical cameras inside. But including the optical cameras inside is also how we scan our barcodes. So with that bigger field of view, we needed a bigger camera, bigger field of area, and then let me pull up my software really quick, including this touch screen, which is pretty snazzy little tool. So we have the field of area, which is a lot larger as well.
That'll take these big 5G boards and things like that.
Correct.
Right there. Excellent. Okay. Super. Well, it's certainly an impressive piece of equipment, and I like the software interface there. Presumably that also interfaces with your Scienscope suite of software for reporting.
It does, and it does transfer all the data still. We still do everything that we did before, but we're just including now reports. Now with the 360-degree rotation table internally, we're able to offer the customer more, what we essentially say, bang for their buck. Right.
Excellent. Great. Well, thank you for giving us a run through on that today, Danny. And we look forward to actually Apex is just around the corner. So are we going to be able to expect anything new coming out of the?
So we do have some new systems coming out for Apex. I'll kind of get. I won't release anything yet.
All right.
But there is going to be some fun stuff for Scienscope to be releasing. A lot of automation. Scienscope has always been one of the automation guys. We try to help the customer as much as possible when it comes to automation. So if you see little robots running around or stuff running around at Scienscope, don't be surprised.
Okay, so we'll be watching that space at Apex.
Definitely.
Okay, well, thanks for coming in and joining us today.
Thanks, Trevor.